In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox game client is not responding. To begin, restart by right-clicking on the Roblox player, then select Run and choose the minimized option. After that, go to Compatibility Settings and enable the option Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7. Additionally, activate the Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator options. Next, click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter and proceed to test the program. Please be patient during this process. Once done, click OK, followed by Next, and finally, click Yes to save these settings for the program. We will need to wait for a while after this. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.